Today we are working on Excel Lesson 5, the fifth lesson, changing the workbook views. So this is the document you should have open. First step says click File, and then click Print. Click the Zoom to Page. So that is down here in the bottom right hand corner. You may need to click, but if you hover, there is a Zoom to Page, so click that. And it zooms in closer to the page. Click the Zoom to Page toggle switch again to zoom back out to view the whole page again. Click the Next Page and Previous Page buttons. So here's the next page, previous page, so you can scroll through different pages of the workbook. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Click the Back button. Takes you back to the workbook. And then on the View tab, click Page Layout. Use the horizontal and vertical scroll bars to scroll up and down and to the left and right to view different parts of the workbook. So it's just showing you that you can scroll, see different parts of the workbook. Go to the next step. On the View tab in the Workbook Views group, click Page Break Preview. This shows you what it's like if you were to print. And you can see that we would have all of these pages, and it shows you what prints on each page. Next, on the View tab in the Workbook, click Normal. If necessary, click the Jasper active icon in the taskbar to redisplay the instruction pane horizontally across the bottom of the screen, which I can still see it. If desired, click the vertical horizontal toggle button to return to the instruction pane to its original position. If yours needs to be clicked and moved, you can move it up here. But mine didn't do anything like that, so mark that as answered. Submit. 4 green checks. There they are. So this completes changing the workbook view.